Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do a tuck front lever. Basically, what this move will help you do is to progress into the front lever, but this is just one of the starting positions that you'll do. And as you can see, I will not have enough room to actually do a front lever. I've done them before, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you an example. If I'm going to do the front lever, I would be extended this far out, but as you can tell, my body is down on the ground. I'm actually going to work on this again and see if I can do it. I had a pull-up bar at my last place. I don't this time. The closest thing I got to a pull-up bar is the Equalizer bars. I'll leave a link for you guys in the description below so that way you guys can check these bad boys out. They're awesome to have at home and to do home workouts with, which I want to show more of them to you guys in the future. So, anyway, starting position, you're going to lie down, flat on your back, and you're going to basically be tucked or rolled into a bit of a ball, bringing your legs in towards your chest, and really like crunching your abs. This is going to activate your abs, your core, basically everything dealing with your back muscles, but it's really going to engage your traps, your lats, the scapula, and it's really going to engage your shoulders. Now, one of the tricks here is you want to make sure that you keep your elbows straight as you hold onto the bar and you tuck. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate now. Grab the bar, pull yourself up. I usually tuck first, and then I pull myself up. So this is the beginning pose. You have your legs in. To make the progression a little bit harder, you go ahead and extend your thighs up a little bit at an angle. This really engages the abs, your arms, and your shoulders. Oh. Okay. A little strenuous. So basically, the other aspect too is that you really want to engage and contract the scapula and bring your shoulders down and in place, and also like engaging the traps. So, yeah. Alright, I'll leave another link down below for you guys to check it out for the beginner progression of the front lever. If you guys haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright.